Hey y'all, welcome to Johnston Motors again. We're continuing our doing some car videos. We've been doing a bunch of those this weekend. So like I said, we got like 5-6 cars that are going to be all for sale next week. So hoping they should be all listed Monday or Tuesday. I think I showed y'all the JL Wrangler yesterday, the manual. We just got this thing in though. Wanted to do a short video on it. It's basically a brand new car, or as close to a brand new car as you can get. It's a 2021 Jeep Wrangler JL Sport. One owner, locally owned, only 4,000 miles. They bought it brand new about 6 months ago. I've only put 4,000 miles on it. Didn't really like it that much. Thought they wanted a 2-door. Ended up needing a lot more space, so they ended up getting a 4-door. But we took this off of them. Like I said, this is the JL series 2021, so this is the newest version of the Wrangler. It's in bright white, and it is the sport trim. This is the base sport, hence the steel wheels. But like I said, it's a brand new car. It's still under complete factory bumper-to-bumper warranty. It has a few options though. It has the 2-liter turbo, and yeah, the 2-liter turbo engine. And it actually is really peppy. We haven't had too many 2-liters in here, but it drives fantastic. It drives great, especially made it to the new 8-speed they're putting in these now. So this thing is super quick, super peppy, great highway car, or off-roader, commuter, whatever you wanted to do it with. This being a base model would make a great project if you wanted to build it up, turn it into your off-roader car, or your customize it however you wanted to do. It'd be a great starter for that, or if you just want to leave it stock and just enjoy it as a fun little Jeep, it'd be great for that as well. Like I said, it has a few options on it, mainly the automatic instead of manual, so it's got the 8-speed automatic in there. It also has factory hard top, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a base model, manual windows, manual locks, which I think is really cool, especially on a 2-door, because you can just reach over, you don't really need the electric, and it's less to break if you're going to off-road them and use them hard. Interior is immaculate. Like I said, this thing still smells brand new, so the top's never been off of it. Just in great condition. There's zero body damage, zero paint damage. There's no issues with this car. It is perfect all the way around, cosmetically and mechanically. As I said, it only has 4,000 miles on it. Let me show you the engine real quick, start it up for you. This thing is obviously bone stock, so the previous owner didn't do anything to it. Like I said, he only put 4,000 miles on it in about 6 months. So it was bought brand new here in Dallas. It's never been outside the area. It's never seen dirt. There you go, 2-liter turbo, 4-cylinder. As far as the peppiness goes, they're about as quick as the Pentastars. There you go, there you have it. One owner, low mileage, Texas owned, bright white, bone stock, JL 2021 Jeep Wrangler. Take a look at our website for more pictures and information. You can reach us anytime, 940-808-2382. Check us out, johnstonmotorsales.com. You can ask for me, Hunter. Have a great day, y'all.